Today I got 10 packs of Silver Tempest. I'm gonna open them and see what I get. Alright. White code card. That does not bode well. It's for the front. Yep. Energy. Toxicroak. Jinx. Toxapex. Vulpix. Drowsy. Growlithe. Mischievous. Whelmer. Wallace. And a Delphox. Another white code card. Terrible. Got an Energy. Vehement. Candace. Emergency Jelly. Venonat. Ralts. Spinda. Pikachu. Noibat. Anorith. And Armaldo. Pack number 3. Couldn't get 3 white card codes in a row. I guess we could. Got an Energy, Raichu, Torracat, Palisand, Dratini, Feebas, Phanpy, Litten, Rufflet, and a Passimian Fuller. Nice. Well, I guess a white code card won't be a dud after all. Alright. Another white code card. Energy. Ninetales. Claydol. Hypno. Esper. Dratini. Sinchao. Meditite. Deephider. Fletchender. And another Delphox. Energy, Curlia, Venomoth, Wallace, Smeargle, Esper, Dratini, Meditite, Deephider, Baneri, and a Gardevoir. Silver Tempest has only white code cards. I don't know. Got an Energy, Emergence Jelly, Stone Joiner, a Raquanin, a Relicanth, a Lugia, Togedemaru, Petalil, Pikachu, Wanted, a Moose. Number 6. I think sure I'm being stubborn. There's a black code card. Got Energy, Braxton, a Lopunny, Serena, Baltoy, Sunkern, Clink, Petalil, Litten, Slurpuff, and Unknown V. Cool. Two more packs to go. Got our Lugia packs. Let's see if we can find them. The white code card does not bode well. Got an Energy, Dedenne, Quad Stone, Morpeko, Relicanth, Lugia, Rufflet, Vulpix, Drowsy, Whelmer, and a Delphox. Last two packs. Got a black code card. Got Energy, a Dragonair, a Toxicroak, a Jinx, a Fennekin, a Durant, a Mulga, Beldum, Stunfisk, Lance, and a Hisuian Arcanine V. Nice. Our last pack for the day. Let's see if we can hit something really good. A white code card says no. Then again, we hit the Passimian. Let's see. Got Energy. For Soda Girl. Donphan. Braxton. Venery. Drowsy. Spinarak. Ralts. Crogun. Noivern. And a Delphox. So we got our Unknown V, our Hisuian Arcanine V, our Passimian SIR, Full Art. Don't know which from this set. Nice.